High Point Monument today. What a beautiful place. I'm in the parking lot here. I'm the very top. Absolutely amazing place. If you guys ever get a chance and you're up in Rockford, New Jersey, do yourself a favor and come and visit High Point State Park. It's in by Port Jervis, the upper western northernmost part of the state. You won't be disappointed with the views, I can tell you that. Look at that, incredible. Everywhere you look, there's an outstanding view.